It's important to know how to safely discard hazardous materials. So how do you properly discard hazardous household waste in the town of North Hempstead? Household hazardous waste is the discarded, unused, or leftover portion of household products containing toxic chemicals. Always read the product labels. Any product labeled danger, warning, caution, poisonous, toxic, flammable, corrosive, reactive, or explosive should be considered hazardous. Common household cleaning products, oil-based paints, pesticides, and motor oil can pose a threat to your family and the environment. Even small amounts, when improperly disposed, can pollute ground or surface water. Products that are poured down the drain, onto the ground, or washed into gutters or storm drains can damage septic and sewer systems and pollute our water supply. When discarding paint, it's important to note that water-based paint, also referred to as latex paint, can be safely discarded in the trash. Oil or solvent-based paints need to be handled as household hazardous waste. To discard latex or water-based paint, you must dry it out first to prevent the paint from leaking into the environment. If there is only a small amount of paint left in the can, you can remove the lid and leave it open in the sun. Make sure that it's in a location where small children or pets can't get to it. If there's too much paint for the sun to handle, add cat litter, newspaper, sand, or sawdust to absorb and dry out the paint. For a larger quantity, line a cardboard box with a garbage bag, dump the paint inside, and mix with the absorbent material. Once the paint is dry, you can now safely throw it away in the trash. If you want to recycle the metal can, you will need to remove and throw away the dried paint from the can first before you can place the empty metal can in your recycling receptacle. By January 2021, manufacturers who sell paint in New York State will be required by a new statute to establish a convenient and cost-effective program for the collection, recycling, and end-of-life management of post-consumer paints. The program will likely include publicly accessible drop-off locations for the collection of unused interior and exterior paints, varnishes, shellacs, primers, sealers, etc. Returning to household hazardous waste, here are some helpful tips for how to manage them safely. Always read directions for proper use and storage. Do not ever mix products. Many common household products are extremely dangerous when they come in contact with each other. Always store products in their original container and protect the label. You don't want to run the risk of mistaking one product for another. Keep hazardous materials out of reach of children and pets. Reduce the amount of these products in your home. The easiest way is to use up what you already have. If you can't use it yourself, share it with a friend or donate it. When shopping, look for less toxic alternatives like citrus-based cleaners. They work well and most are comparable in cost. In addition to cleaning products, household hazardous waste includes certain kinds of electronic waste such as TVs, computers, computer peripherals, small electronic equipment, and small-scale servers. In 2010, the New York State Legislature passed a product stewardship law that banned curbside disposal of these types of electronic products. Electrical devices not covered by the New York State law can be set out with your regular trash. This includes radios, video cameras, microwaves, telephones, and medical devices. In addition to certain kinds of electronics, household hazardous waste also includes ordinary household products such as aerosols, pool chemicals, and cleaners, which can be corrosive, explosive, or toxic if mixed indiscriminately with regular household garbage. Getting back to electronics, you can get rid of your electronic waste in 3 ways. The first is to take advantage of a manufacturer take-back program. New York State's product stewardship law requires manufacturers to establish convenient take-back programs for consumers. To get information about available manufacturer take-back programs, visit the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation's website and search for electronic take-back. On this page, you will find a listing of different electronic manufacturers, the brand for which they are responsible, their phone number, and website. In Nassau County, the most prominent manufacturer take-back program is run by Staples. At no cost to you, your local Staples store will recycle any brand of electronics in any condition, even if you purchased it somewhere else. The second way to get rid of your electronic waste is to go to the Town of North Hempstead Sunday resident drop-off at the town transfer station. The transfer station, located at 999 West Shore Road in Roslyn, is open Sundays from 7:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Only North Hempstead residents can drop off materials and must show proof of residency. No commercial vehicles allowed. The third way to get rid of your electronic waste is to participate in a Stop Throwing Out Pollutants event, also known as the STOP event. Visit the STOP page on the town's website for upcoming dates. In addition to electronics, you can also drop off the following household hazardous waste at stop events: lithium, button, and car batteries, compact fluorescent bulbs, air conditioning refrigerants, gas tanks, ammonia and solid bowl cleaners, antifreeze, bug and rodent killers, bleach and disinfectants, chemistry kits, drain cleaners and degreasers, fertilizers and herbicides, mercury products, non-latex paints, paint thinners and brush cleaners, photography chemicals, swimming pool chemicals, spot removers and other solvents, unused oven cleaners, unused flammable liquids, and weed killers. Single-use or alkaline batteries can be discarded in the trash. To discard rechargeable batteries, visit calltorecycle.org/locator for a convenient drop-off location near you. An important harmful household product to address is how to handle used syringes, also known as sharps. There are many individuals with serious health conditions who manage their care at home using syringes. Proper disposal of sharps protects the health and safety of others and the environment. Make sure you use a disposable container that is specifically made for disposing of sharp objects and replace containers when 2/3 full. Sharps should not be placed out with the trash as they endanger collection workers. All hospitals and nursing homes in New York State are mandated by law to accept home-generated sharps, but call ahead to confirm the exact location and the hours of acceptance. In addition, some pharmacies, health clinics, and community-based organizations offer syringe collection drop boxes. Sharps can also be taken to stop events. Before arriving at a stop event, make sure to place containers that can leak in clear plastic bags that are sealed, and place all items in a cardboard box to prevent them from moving around while traveling. Upon arrival, please wait in line until you have reached the drop-off area. When instructed by stop event staff, please unlock your trunk or lift gate while remaining in your vehicle. Event staff will safely remove your items and direct you to the next drop-off point or event exit. For safety reasons, residents must remain in their cars while event staff remove items to be discarded. Please leave your pets at home so event staff can safely and easily remove items from your car. Stop events are for Town of North Hempstead residents only. No commercial vehicles allowed. Participants must show a driver's license or other valid proof of residency. Only potentially hazardous household products and e-waste will be accepted. Other items that you can drop off at stop events include confidential papers. Residents can bring confidential papers, a maximum of 6 legal-sized boxes per vehicle, for shredding at stop events. Only 1 visit per event day. Before dropping off, please remove paper clips, metal binders, and file folders with metal clasps. Residents can also bring donations of clothing, clothing accessories, small housewares, sporting equipment, and toys to stop events where they will be collected by Big Brothers Big Sisters. Thanks for watching. Responsibly discarding household harmful products helps keep you and your loved ones safe and protects the health and safety of collection workers and the environment.